pretty bad. Okay, today we are going to work on this here. We're gonna work on this today. I already tried to pull out as much as I could. This was all folded in. Same with this side here. This side's holding for dear life right now. Now it's not perfect. I think I gotta pull more on this side here. But it doesn't have to be perfect. I don't care. The key cylinder that we got, this is the one that was inside the door. Yeah, this is the one that was inside the door. And the one we got from the junkyard, it's this one here. And we just have to go to a locksmith so we could key this key cylinder to, the key of the truck. But this will go like so, and it will drop like that. So what I'm going to do is going to sand off all this here, take all the rust off, and then probably gonna do some 415 on it. Straighter. Got some rubbing alcohol here. Let's wipe this down. Yeah, so I feel this door either was dented or something must have happened that they use a body filler. You can see it right there. Okay, I think that's it. Now I'm gonna wait until it dries up, and then I'm gonna get some touch-up paint, and I'm gonna paint the surrounding as well as where it's black, and then I'll put the key cylinder in. Okay, this is the end result. It's not pretty. What I want to do now is go ahead and use some of this Ford Silver Frost. It's the code TS. It's the same code for this truck from the VIN decal. Let's go ahead and try this and see how it turns out. Okay, it doesn't have to be pretty, but once it dries up, we'll do one more. We'll paint it one more time. Once it dries up, we'll paint it again, and then we'll do clear coat. Okay, it's been a couple hours. This is not pretty, but it's the best I can do. Key cylinder we got at junkyard. I got it keyed. Got this key to the truck's key, and check this out. So we just got to install it now. I'm gonna put some clear silicone around this so that it creates kind of like a gasket around it, so moisture or water doesn't go inside the door, and that should do it. Okay, I got some of this clear adhesive sealant. It's clear silicone, so we're gonna try it out. Put it next around, or we're gonna try to put it around this. See how that works. Okay, we'll clean the excess of silicone. Push this in, and this holds onto the key cylinder there. Okay, it's not pretty, but it works. Let's try it out. The silicone's still wet, but it should stay in place. Silicone's more for, yep. Okay. I put the silicone around it just for water. It will work as a gasket. Yeah, it's not pretty, but it works. Okay, we're almost done. We just fixed the door. Now I just replaced the driver's side tail light. This tail light had water leaking into it. I was probably gonna be able to fix this. Yeah, right here. This is where the water was leaking into. But since I was in the junkyard and I found one that doesn't seem that it's leaking, I just decided I'm buying this one instead of messing with that one. Okay, I put PB Blaster already. That's why it's all wet. But check this out, guys. Yeah, it's pretty bad. So we're gonna replace those. See this side. Yeah, it's replacement. So that's what we're gonna do now. Okay, how bad do you think this is? Well, for starters, let me get a light over here. For starters, okay, so they're all dried up. There is no grease in them. And then the best part, this one, it's missing all of them, all of the bearings in there, and it's all dried up. Okay, let's put new ones. Let's cleaned up all this, and then let's clean up the holes in there, and we'll put new ones. Okay, it's time to put the new U-joints. I'll be using the Spicer product. It's genuine OE quality. So this is what I'm going to be using, and I already cleaned the channels, and this came with new clips and all. And here is the new U-joint. Okay, I think I'm not gonna service the differential because I just checked the oil. And here, new paper towel. Clean my pinky. I'm gonna put it in here. I can feel the oil right there, and there's gear oil on my pinky right here. And if we put it on a clean paper towel, it is pretty clean. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let's put more. Yeah, it's pretty clean. I'm just gonna clean the fill plug here, the magnet, and then I'll probably just gonna put a little bit more so fluid starts coming out. And I think that's it. Okay, I'm gonna fill it up. The oil, it's like right there, but I'm just gonna put some just for my peace of mind. I always like oil coming out, so I got this Valvoline 75W90. It's an open differential. I think the code it's 83, and it's 373 gears open differential. Okay, there we go. So it didn't take much. I want to say like less than a quarter of a quart. Okay, let's go ahead and put the fill plug back on. I cleaned it and it's pretty good. So let's put it back on. Okay, they're all changed and good to go. I also changed the one up there. That one didn't really need to get replaced, but I changed it anyway since I had it out. And now, if I move it, there's no play. So that's done. We also did the transmission and motor oil, and then we checked the rear end also.